Hi and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to clean the chain of the bike that's right behind me with a plant-based and biodegradable Airolube Heavy Duty Degreaser. You can use any degreaser to clean your chain, but most of them are not that good for you, your bike or for the environment. Other than aerosols, where the pressure is so high that it will not only degrease your chain but also the bearings inside of your bike, such as your bottom bracket, your pulley wheels and the bearings inside of your wheels. It's much better to use the spray and much safer because the pressure is less and you can spray more from a distance. Now we are going to spray the chain. We aim for the cassette and pedal the chain backwards so that we can apply the heavy duty degreaser to all the chain links. Make sure we aim away from the disc brake. When this is done, we leave the degreaser to do its magic. It's time to help the formula a bit. Brushing in the chain and the cassette, you can use a toothbrush or a kitchen brush, or like us, a narrow chain brush. After brushing, it's time to rinse the chain and wash off the grime. That's looking nice. You see that the chain starts to shine again. Dry the chain. You can use an old piece of fabric. Best is to use a clean one, or like this, a microfiber cloth. With the chain dried off and cleaned, you can lube the chain with your preferred lubrication. How that's done, you can find it in the description below.